Are you curious about how machine learning model can understand and generate human-like text, images? What if I told you there are platforms that makes it easy to build, train and deploy NLP models even if you're new to AI? Right, and at the time, if you just want to explore a lot of AI, right, you just can't keep installing, making accounts. No, you can just simply come to Hugging Face. Hi everyone, I'm Ron, and today we are diving into Hugging Face, a powerful platform for natural language processing, which is NLP. Whether you're a developer, data scientist, or just someone interested in AI, this video will walk you through the basic of using Hugging Face and solve real-world problem. Just go to Google. Here you have to just write Hugging Face. Now the first link, you have to click on this cute little emoji icon you can see here. Right, you have to create an account. So I have already made an account. You just need a simple email ID and password. That's it. Now, Hugging Face is not entirely free, right? Obviously, it gives you the, here you can see it is free, but very limited access, right? But those limited access is really useful, and it has a different plans, right? And each plan gives you very much more feature, but it's not very expensive, right? And you can see here the maximum is $20 per user per month. So here, let's get back. And here, for example, on the top right, you will see this option of models. So if I just go and check the models, so in the model section, it will show me all the models, right? Every models which different AI LLM models are using it. For example, here you can see Gwen. Gwen recently surpassed ChatGPT, ChatGPT version that is a 4.401, I think so, right? And Gwen Max was pretty a good model, and I'm using it currently right now, which you can see it here, right? This is a Gwen 2.5. So these are the models. So every time AI company or whatever, let's say ChatGPT or Gwen, right? Gwen is a Chinese, very similar to ChatGPT. And here you can see they are using different models. Every time they release something new, or really something breakthrough, they just call it or give it a new name, just like how versions are called, right? I hope you got this point now. So you can find it here. For example, if I want to go just a normal ChatGPT model, which I don't think I will be able to find it here, but anyway, let's go a very simple one, and here you can search for it. This is for the task libraries, and for example, I want the transformers, right? Now in the transformers, it will give me all these models which are just basically related to transform, right? Related to images and text and everything here. Now this is a data set, so I have to just erase this filter and start it completely new. Now this is how the models are pretty useful. So you can come here and check out which model is pretty useful. Now for example, if I just go and check out this, let's say we were taking the Gwen example, let's open it up. You can read this, what is happening, what's this new model. You can just go and check out this GitHub page here, right? And what's the new thing that this model bring up to us. And if I want to use this model, I can click on it, I can make this change, I can train my model, right, on my personal setup. Now let's say I want to use this model, so I can just go in here. Let's say this is a transform library. So here you can just go and click on transform. Now this is the code which you can use it and copy it and use to transform it. This is a data set, so you can just give them data set, right? And here you will find the same thing, but there's a lot of key features which Hugging Face provide you. For example, you can try the exact AI. For example, I will just go to the search bar here, and let's say that I want to try, let's say we were taking an example of Gwen, so I will search for Gwen. Now here, once I search for Gwen, here you can see it gave me everything about the Gwen, every models and everything here, right? So let's get back and I will show you how you can use it. Now let's say I want to search for DeepSeek here. So I will just find it DeepSeek somewhere, or you can just go any of the model here. Now here you can see here, I can always go and check out their website. So it helped me, so I can start directly. Or there are some of the AI models which doesn't have their own website, so you can use it, right? For example, I think I've used that is called Focus. I think so. Oh, I'm not able to find it. Now let's say this is a NVIDIA, when this is new model, so I want to use this model. So I'll just go and click on here. I can copy this code and I can use it, right? So these are the pretty cool things which Hugging Face provide me, and I can deploy models is very useful because Hugging Face space feature to deploy model as a web app, right? And you can use a Gradio or Streamlit to build a user interface for your application. So in this way, that is also useful, and this is how you can just do. And thanks for watching this video. But as you invest more and more time here, you will find a lot of things here. Right, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.